Good morning, students. Today we start with atoms and molecules. Last class we discussed about what is the atom and what is molecules. Now we start with a simple example. Here the example is given as N, N2, 2N, 2N2, 3N, 3N2. First one is N. N is the symbol which represents nitrogen. So, N stands for one atom of nitrogen, N2 stands for one molecule of nitrogen, 2N stands for two atom of nitrogen, 2N2 stands for two molecule of nitrogen, 3N stands for three atoms of nitrogen, and 3N2 stands for three molecules of nitrogen. So, from this we can easily understand what is atom and what is molecule. Next we move to the next section, molecules. Molecule is the simplest particle have independent existence. When the molecule or atoms of different elements combined in a fixed ratio form corresponding compounds. Simple example is sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, one sodium combined with one chlorine. So the ratio is 1:1. Then next example is water molecule. In water molecule, two hydrogen atom combined with one oxygen atom. So the ratio is 2:1. Ammonia, one nitrogen combined with three hydrogen atom. So the ratio is 1:3. So the molecules of different element combine fixed ratio form molecules of compounds. Then there are two more kinds of molecules when combined together for mixtures. There are two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. The mixture includes element and compounds. All these are together form mixtures. In homogeneous mixture, they have uniform composition throughout the solution. Example is salt solution. In heterogeneous mixture, it have a non-uniform distribution of molecules. Example is muddy water. Then the naming of elements and compound we done using symbols and formulas. First, in the alchemist, they represent the substance using some symbols, pictographic symbols such as triangle, crescent, etc. After that, Dalton used some symbols to represent elements such as circle for oxygen, circle with the dot in the center for hydrogen, etc. The Dalton symbol of elements are given here: hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, platinum, iron, copper, silver, gold, lead and mercury. After this, John Jacob Bernoulli suggested that the initial letter of element written in capital should be represent the particular element, such as O for oxygen, H for hydrogen, C for carbon, etc. But in some cases, the suggested symbolism do not agree because so many elements are starting with the C, H, etc. So their Latin names, from their Latin names we taken the symbols, and first two letter of elements taken as symbols. Then the symbols of some elements and their Latin names are given here. Gold is represented as Au, taken from aurum. Silver represented as Ag, taken from argentum. Mercury, copper, all are given in the table. The symbols and the naming of compounds is given by the method suggested by the basis of IUPAC. The full form of IUPAC is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. So this is the second section. Next section we discuss in the next class. Thank you.